Hi, this is Neuromo, and in this video we're going to be learning how to set up our R environment for machine learning. At the top of the code you can see where my website is, mohangupta.com, and I will be hosting the code and the spreadsheets you will need for this tutorial on my website, or you can visit my GitHub, and my username is Mohan Gupta, and I will also host the spreadsheets and the code you need for this tutorial there. The first command we're going to be using is install packages. It's very easy to use. All you have to do is type the command and in parentheses put the package you want to install in quotation marks and then just hit enter like I did here and wait for it to install. And I'm going to speed up the video because it does take a while. It should take about 10 to 15 minutes to install all these packages. Some of them are very large and they take a while to compile, so give it time to do that. Now that we have all of the packages installed on our machine, we must load them into our R environment, and we're going to be doing that using the library command. And so like the install packages command, all you have to do is just put the package you desire to load in your environment in parentheses, and that's all there is to it. You're going to see a lot of warnings pop up. You can just ignore those. They're mostly just saying the package was built under a different R version, and that doesn't really make a difference. And if you do see an error, that means something went wrong, but if you see a warning, it's okay. So earlier I was having some trouble installing the packages from the main window, and I found that if I just copied the command I want to do, say install packages E1071, and just put it in the console window, it'll work. So if you're having that problem, just go ahead and do that.